Hello there, welcome to Kylie Chameleon Beauty channel. My name is Kylie and tonight I am creating this Valentine look. And actually it doesn't have to be Valentine's, but yes, I created this look because I just love the color pink, and I also will be using 3 palettes and they're all Huda Beauty, and I'm using the Pretty Grunge as well as the Gold Remastered palette and the Naughty palette. And yes, so if you like this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to prime my lid. Tonight, I'm actually going to use something different. I wanted to try this out. It's the NYX Ultimate Shadow and Liner Primer. And I'm going to see how well this performs because, I mean, it's creamy. It kind of feels like, it reminds me of Urban Decay primers. So let's just see. Ooh, it's very smooth. And it's easy to blend because some primers are very hard to blend. You have to actually work your way to, like, I don't remember which primer I used before, but it was so hard to blend that I had I just could not blend my shadows and everything. And I'm also going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder to set my primer. Alright, so here we go. Let's get started on this tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use Freedom from the Pretty Grunge palette, and I'm going to actually put this on as my transition. And it's really hard to, actually it matches my blouse. So I'm going to use this on my crease. Alright, and I'm actually going to blend this all the way up. I'm actually going to blend this all the way up to almost close to my eyebrow. And don't worry about this. If you have this similar shade, no one's ever going to know that it's blended up to close to your eyebrow because, it's just a transition shade. It's like the lightest shade. And it's always good to use a very, very, very light shade as a transition because, if you don't use a transition shade, it's going to look kind of harsh. So, alright, so this is already, I actually like this color. I know you can't really see it all that well, but it's really helping out. It's going to help out what I'm going to create. Okay, so already done with that, and I'm going to use a, let's see. I will be using the, alright, so the Huda Beauty Remastered Rose Gold palette. Alright. And I'm going to use the lightly used this color Risque. That's actually, you know what? I'm going to use Dollface and Risque together. I'm going to blend them together, and they're going to go in my crease. Okay. Ooh, gorgeous. Now this is, I love creating pink looks. I rarely do them, but when I do, they just it's just my all-time favorite. I usually create pink looks whenever, on Valentine's Day, or sometimes, I'll wear them throughout the summertime. It's just really gorgeous. I just love pink, purple, and green, and blue. Royal blue. They're my favorite colors. I'm actually thinking about doing a blue eye look in my future videos because I rarely see, I don't see that many tutorials on YouTube like not many of them, like when it comes to like pink, I'm sorry, blue eye looks, and I'm thinking about doing one. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this pretty grunge palette and blend in Freedom again, and just to make sure everything looks seamless and just well put together. All right, and let's see. Then I'm gonna use Naughty, the Naughty palette, and I'm gonna use Spicy, my outer V, and I'm also gonna use this really interesting tool. I've actually never used this before, so tonight is gonna be my first time using it. I'm actually excited. All right, so here we go. Wow, actually, it's pretty cool because it's like perfect. The way, okay, so a card, it sits well too. Oh, wow. So I'm gonna have to actually use this a little bit, probably in every tutorial. But already it's creating this really nice, ooh, okay. All right, y'all, I like this little tool here. I'm actually going to, if you are interested in like purchasing, it came in a pack of 2. It was, one of them was pink and the other one, and this is what I'm using. And yeah, if you are interested in like purchasing this tool, I have it linked down below. I'm not affiliated with Amazon or anything, but I thought, you know, it might help you out with your creating this look. And also, you don't have to purchase these palettes or anything like that. But if you have a similar color, like right now I'm blending a brownish shade. To me, there's a lot of shades similar to this. I can't think of the shades off the bat, but I think Ulta has like a single shade that's this color. It's kind of like a burgundy, a dark burgundy shade. Yeah. This is such a gorgeous shade. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to use this palette possibly in the next video. I'm not sure. But, wow, that is very, very pigmented and also blendable. And I'm going to use a blending brush. Let me see what I'm going to use. Oh, well, I was going to use my MAC blending brush, but oh, here we go. Yes. You guys, I've had this MAC it's the 2117S. I'm sorry, 217S blending brush. Gosh, I can't even remember how many years I've had this brush. I'm gonna probably just guess probably 17 years. And I'm just gonna blend the spicy eyeshadow out and just make sure that everything looks good. Yes. I'm gonna put a little bit more, whatever I have left in the brush. Okay. There we go. Wow, this is perfect for like date night or just even like for work, you know, you can tone it down a little bit, but I noticed that like a lot of people are afraid to use pink because it doesn't look good on them, but actually pink looks good on everyone. No matter what your skin color is, it just looks really cute. It gives it like, I don't know, it just looks really pretty on, yeah, there we go. Yes, I'm thinking about creating possibly a blue eyeshadow look next time. And also, I'm going to have a different hair color too. I was thinking about getting a peacock, possibly a peacock color. All right, so back to the, I'm going to put possibly I'm going to go back to the Remastered palette, and this is pretty. This one right here. It's called Pink Diamond. I actually have not used it yet. This is my first time. I rarely use these palettes, but usually the palette that I use the most whenever I go to work would be my Natasha Denona My Dream palette. I think that's what it is. And I just use it almost every day because it's got all the colors that I like, but I like these colors too. So I'm just gonna probably this week I'm gonna use these palettes more. I don't get to use them that much. Wow, this is really beautiful. No fallouts. Gorgeous. Okay, so I want to lighten up my inner corner, so I'm going to use Bubbly from this palette again, and just, okay, there we go. That's gorgeous. Yes. I feel like this whole look makes me want to like go out and eat a nice Valentine meal, go somewhere romantic. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to the Pretty Grunge palette and use Freedom just to blend everything out. Nice. Alright, so I'm also gonna go back to the Naughty palette and use the Spicy just to make sure, like, I want to darken my outer V just a little bit. Wow, this is gorgeous. All right. And I'm going to go back to this Remastered palette and use these two shades again. And I'm just gonna, because looks like it disappeared on me. There we go. Yes, that looks gorgeous. You know what? I'm probably gonna create this look tomorrow at work. Okay, I'm gonna use the black shade. And yeah, I usually film on my days off because I feel like if I film on the nights that I work, I just it's too rough. I mean, I'm really busy, and also I'm always tired when I get home, so I think this all works out well. Okay, so here we go. And I'm gonna actually fix my brows. I think the lighting is creating this weird look on my brows. And I'm having to like, I mean, they're really filled in, but they look kind of, I don't know, I think it's just the lighting. Because it is like, right now it's evening, around 6 something. Okay, there we go. I'm using, by the way, my favorite eyebrow product, Precisely My Brow Pencil, on number 3.5 by Benefit. Y'all, if you're searching like the perfect eyebrow, eyebrow tool or just eyebrow pencil, Benefit has so much. This is actually my favorite one. I also like Anastasia products, but Benefit has like the shade where it looks good on my, I mean, it looks good on me, but some of the Anastasia products, they show up kind of like either too light, too dark. It's never in the middle. So, yeah. Alright. And I will be right back to do my lashes, as well my, also my eyeliner. And, yep, I'll see you soon. Hello again. I actually did my lashes and my eyeliner, and also I used my transition colors on my bottom lash. I used both the Risque and Dollface together, and I also used a little bit of this black truffle on this area right here, just a little bit. I blended everything out just to make sure that it's, you know, well put together. And also, I will be doing a lip combo from Anastasia, and I'm going to be using all of her, they're all the same color, Dusty Rose. So I felt like it took me a while to figure out what color lips would go well with this look, and I thought, hey, you know, Dusty Rose would go well with this rose look. So let's just see. Actually, I just purchased these three, the lip gloss and everything, like not long ago, but I haven't used them. Okay, so I'm doing the little X thing. This is a very nice lip color, or lip liner. Alright, yeah, this is so gorgeous. I was thinking about putting the Modesty, but I felt like it needed a little bit of color. And I know that Anastasia just came out with like a, I think it was like a lip mousse or something. It's like another liquid lipstick, but I don't know. I've always been like a regular lipstick person, girl. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Okay. There we go. It's never been used. Okay. Actually, if it's a new lipstick, I always do this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yes. Yeah, this is a gorgeous. You know what? I'm gonna recreate this look tomorrow. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna use her lip gloss. Perfect combination. I'm just gonna put it in the middle. All right, yes, this looks, I like this look. I'm gonna create this look even if it's not Valentine's. All right, so that completes the look, guys. And if you liked this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notification. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you watch the next tutorial. Bye, guys.